Hey guys, it's Zedin here from Rakamedia.com. In this WinRAR beginner tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a RAR file using it and save space by highly compressing your files. Welcome back. So first of all, you need to make sure that the software is already installed in your system. Make sure it's in there. Okay, voila, that's it. So we want to compress this folder, which is the new folder in here. It is 42.5 megabytes. So we'll compress it in order to help in the performance of the computer or the device, as this will reduce the number of files, and at the same time it will reduce the size and save you space onto your hard disk. Great. To do so, we have two methods. First one, which is opening the software like we did. Next, we click on add. Here a new menu will appear. You can still change the name of the file. My work, for example. Good. Next, you have the option to change the archive format, whether RAR, RAR4 or zip. If you plan to send this to someone who may not have this program, so it is better to zip it. Otherwise, here we want to make a RAR file to have a better file compression. Good. You can split the volumes if it is too huge and select how much would you allocate for each volume or part of your file. The compression method, which is very useful, you can select the best, but this will take time and save you more space onto the hard disk. Fast, it will be faster but less compression, so it is recommended to keep it normal. Next, on files, we need to select the file we want to compress. Here it is, the new folder we have selected. Great, just make sure it is in here. If you want to exclude some files, just add them in here. Great. The last one is notes or comments, here to help you know more about this compressed file without opening the projects. For example, we'll name it Ricky project. Good. It's well done. Now we can move on, which is to hit OK. Voila, the program has started. And here is our folder and the command that we have added, all the details. Good. As I said, you still have the option to change it, to rename it. That's it. As you can see, here we have many files, 19 files. When you compress it, it's just one file. So this will save you space. As you can see here, it's 25 megabytes. The new folder is 42.5 megabytes. It's almost half. So if you have 10 gigabytes, it will become 5 gigabytes for most of folders. Some folders accept to be highly compressed, others may not be well compressed, like videos or images, but documents and files are highly compressed. This is also a good way to save them from common viruses. And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.racmedia.com